I came into the ER because I was crying in so much pain. They found out I had stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma. Hi, I'm Annie. I am currently cancer-free of like 8.5 months. About 2 years ago, I was having stomach symptoms. I went in for a bunch of CT scans and stomach scans and stuff. Then on my birthday, I got my gallbladder and appendix out because I thought that was the problem. And it wasn't. And then I started chemo the next week. It was really nerve-wracking at first because I was I don't know what I'll look like in a wig because I'm so used to what I look like bald. I was so excited, I was jumping up for joy. I just felt pretty again. It made me feel, I don't want to say normal because I don't know, but it made me feel like I was myself again. It changed my life and it just made me so happy.